all what review you wanted to see next. I have a few more pairs of colored contact lenses to review from Millzladivaeyelitshop, and you all said UFO Bae. So here you are. I hope you enjoy. Here they are in room lighting, natural lighting, as well as artificial lighting. Everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review. I'm going to be telling you what I think about the UFO Bae colored contact lenses from our girl here on YouTube, Millzladiva. She has a color contact lens shop. She also sells other things like accessories and lip glosses and eyeliners. It's a beauty shop. So she sent me a few lenses, and I am going to be talking about the UFO Bae colored contact lenses. It's the ones I'm wearing right here, and I'm going to be showing you up close shots and telling you what I think about them. So just before we get started, here is her shop. It is a very cute beauty shop. I absolutely love it. The website is very user-friendly, so you can find colored contact lenses from different collections, different colors. Definitely make sure you check out her website. I will link it in the description box down below. And here is also my coupon code. I'm gonna put it up on the screen for you all right here so you can get some money off. Definitely let me know, did you check out the previous review that I did? I reviewed the Disturbia green colored contact lenses. I will link the review up above, as well as in the description box down below. Make sure you check out that video if you're interested in a beautiful shade of green colored contact lenses. And now for this review, I asked, did you want to see the Peruvian blue colored contact lenses first or the UFO Bae? You all said, pretty much most of you said the UFO Bae colored contact lenses. Let me tell you all about the lenses while I show you up close shots as I usually do. So for the UFO Bae colored contact lenses, I didn't know if I was going to like them. I was kind of like, am I gonna like them? When I took them out of the packaging, they were like a very, I would say, like white colored contact lenses, if you've seen, mixed with a pinch of green and blue. I could say when I looked at the lens, I didn't know if I was gonna like them a lot or what color they would look like once I put them in and what the finish would be. You know what I mean? Like, I was very unsure of them. When I put them in and looked in the mirror, they looked so pretty. And when I sat in front of my window to take my natural lighting shots, I looked back at the footage and they look so pretty. On my eyes are like light brown. As you can see with the natural lighting clips, they look very much like a very pale green mixed with pinches of blue. And I absolutely love the finish as well as the color. They feel very, very comfortable. They're very, very soft. I always say that with her lenses because they are very, very comfortable and very, very soft. You could wear them for a few hours. I usually wear my lenses for 6 to 8 hours. I don't have any issues with them. Absolutely love how they feel. I love the color. They are very, very comfortable and soft. I love soft colored contact lenses. I don't like lenses that feel like kind of hard. You know, sometimes when you take out lenses, they can feel a little bit hard. These feel very, 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 very soft, which I absolutely love. Definitely check out her lenses. They are very, very soft and comfortable. And there's many, many great reviews up on her website, which I absolutely love. So you guys can definitely check out what other people are saying about her lenses. Now back to the UFO Bae lenses. In room lighting, I feel like they are very, very natural looking. You almost can't even tell that you're wearing colored contact lenses. In artificial lighting, I love how you can see the tones and the actual color of the lens. I feel like you could see a little bit more blue and a little bit more of the pale green. I love this pale green color mixed with a pinch of blue. I think it adds a little bit of mystery, if you will, to the lens. This is like a mystery pair of colored contact lenses. I took them out the packaging. I was like, gee, I wonder what these are gonna look like on my eyes. And I was very, very pleasantly surprised. So thank you so much, girl. I love these lenses. So UFO Bae might be my favorite new pair of lenses. In artificial lighting, they also look very, very pretty, as I usually say. I like to include artificial lighting clips because I feel like you can actually see the tones and the color of the lenses. They look very, very natural. Like I can't even tell that I'm wearing lenses. I don't feel them. They're very comfortable. And I feel like no one will be able to tell that you're really wearing a pair of colored contact lenses if you try out Millzladivaeyelitshop colored contact lenses. Definitely check her out. Again, I will link everything in the description box down below, so make sure you check my description box out and comment. Leave me a comment. Let me know which lenses do you have from her. Do you like them? Which lenses would you recommend me try next? I love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Leave me a comment down below. And that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you check out my review of her Disturbia green colored contact lenses from her brand as well. I will definitely put the video up for you all to check it out right here. See you soon.
Run free.